There are three common approaches in which a project can be evaluated: future value approach, present value approach, and IRR. Let us see how the analysis works in a single scenario. Karan is pitching his drone project to an angel investor. Initial investment required is 10 lakhs, and after 5 years, 16 lakhs will be returned back to the investor. Investor has called up his in-house analyst to evaluate this opportunity. The analysts have decided to use all the three approaches to answer back to their boss. Approach 1. Future value approach. This approach has been used to compare the return after year 5 with the return if the amount is invested in a fixed deposit instead. So the way this works is, had this amount of 10 lakhs for 5 years is deposited in 8% per annum fixed deposit compounded annually, what is the return after 5 years? Basis the calculation, the amount comes at 14,69,328. So the investment is faring much better than the fixed deposit in this particular case. Now this has been presented to the boss, and he has come back by saying that while investment is giving a better return, fixed deposit is a risk-free investment, and he wants at least a 2% return over the fixed deposit in order to cover for the risk that he's taking. For this, the analysts are now using the net present value approach. They are computing the present value of 16 lakhs, discounting it at the rate of 10%. This could be done using a present value formula in the Excel. Now certainly this gives us that the investment return is less than 10%. With this insight, the analysts have gone back to the investor telling him that the investment is not able to generate a return of 10%. The investor has come back with a question: then what is the exact return that is being generated by this investment? For computing this, the analysts are using the IRR approach. The IRR approach will exactly tell the annual return investment is giving. So it can be done using the IRR formula, where 10 lakh is invested in year 0, and after 5 years 16 lakhs are returned back. The result is 9.86% is the return this particular investment is giving. Now it's on the investor to decide whether 1.86% justifies the risk that he will be undertaking, or would they be looking for other opportunities for investment.